心中文讲，我知讲你会来，所以我等。我知讲你会来，所以我等。我知讲你会来，所以我等。我 or 我 means I. 知 or 知讲 means no. 你会来 Lu means you. 会来 in this context means will come. So you will come is 你会来。我知讲你会来。我知讲你会来。所以 means so. 我等 means I wait. 我等所以我等 so I wait. I knew you'd come, so I wait. 讲我人的民族语言，却多短我人的民族认同。So that's all for today, and I hope you guys will survive until the next presidential election. And I will see you after 5 years. Just stay alive.